Hey there, welcome to the video where we tackle a common problem many Python developers face when working with Matplotlib. The issue at hand is aligning numbers to the top left corners of each cell in a table. It might seem like a straightforward task, but it can be a bit tricky to get it just right. Let's dive into the solution to this problem. In the provided solution, we start off by creating a Matplotlib figure and adding a subplot to it. We then create a table with some cell text values and ensure that each number is aligned to the top left corner of its respective cell. This is achieved by adding a new line character to each number and making some adjustments to the cell padding. By setting the text properties to align at the bottom and adjusting the padding, we can visually align the numbers as desired. It's a bit of a hack, but it gets the job done effectively. Remember, sometimes in coding, a creative workaround is all you need to solve a problem. To sum it up, we successfully addressed the problem of aligning numbers to the top left corners of table cells in Matplotlib. By incorporating new line characters and tweaking the cell padding, we achieved the desired visual alignment. Remember, when faced with a coding challenge, don't be afraid to think outside the box and try unconventional solutions. And with that, we've come to the end of our video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. Until next time, happy coding!